In this video, I show you how to fix could not delete conversation problem or message app could not delete conversation problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, then search message app. Now find out Google Messages, then click on update if available update. Then go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps. Now search for messages, click on messages, tap on force stop, then OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open messages, then continue. Okay. Now tap, then click on delete. Now I hope that this method fix could not delete conversation problem on message app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.